This video is a brief rundown on how to use the Kick scanner at the Downs-Jones Library. The scanner will scan almost any document or book. One popular use is to use it to scan textbooks for personal use. We have course reserved textbooks here at the library, but they can only be used inside the library itself. If you need to take it home to study, you can scan the pages you need from the textbook. Here I have Volume 2 of the Norton Anthology of African American Literature, 3rd edition, and today I'll be scanning a few biographical pages on James Baldwin. First, set the book on the scanner bed and choose what kind of image you'd like to take. If you select Document, it will take a picture of both pages at the same time. If you select Book, it will separate the pages into individual images. For this scan, I'm going to select Book. Press Scan. Acknowledge that you won't be distributing your scans or making money from them. It automatically scans the first page. You can see that it shows the most recent page scanned. If you'd like to see your full scan, you can select which pages you'd like to see here. You can email it to yourself when you're finished by clicking Email PDF. You can either email it to yourself for personal use. If you'd like a printed copy, the library will print up to 30 pages per day at no charge. Send it to library@htu.edu and then come see us at the front desk to get your printouts. Have a great day.